Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY hair treatment to help with hair growth. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the first ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be 1 tablespoon of dandelion root. Dandelion root is rich with vitamins A, B, C, and vitamin E. Also, dandelion root contains biotin, iron, sulfur, magnesium, and calcium. All these vitamins help to stimulate hair growth as well as strengthen the hair. Also, dandelion root helps to remove buildup from the hair and use as a mild clarifying solution. The second ingredient is going to be 1 tablespoon of dried hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus is useful in boosting hair growth as it is rich with vitamin C, which stimulates collagen production. Also, hibiscus is rich in amino acids, which helps to strengthen and nourish the hair roots. Next, we have 1 tablespoon of dried ginger root, and ginger helps to increase the scalp circulation that results in the flow of blood to the scalp. It also stimulates hair follicles and encourages hair growth. The fatty acids in ginger are beneficial for hair thinning. And the fourth ingredient is going to be 1 tablespoon of moringa powder. Moringa powder is renowned for its ability to deliver moisture straight to the scalp, which helps to prevent dryness and deeply nourish hair from the source. Rather than simply adding moisture to the exterior of dry or damaged hair strands, moringa powder hydrates the scalp to heal hair from the inside out. So now I'm just going to place all these ingredients into a mason jar, and then I'm going to add 1 cup of avocado oil. You can use any carrier oil. So now I'm just going to place the mason jar into a pot of boiling water. I have my stove set in between medium to low heat. If you choose not to do this method, you can also use a crock pot, or if you don't want to use heat at all, you can place the mason jar into a cabinet and you can leave the oil in the cabinet for about 2 weeks. After 2.5 hours, I removed the mason jar from the heat and I allowed the oil to cool down. And now I'm just going to strain the oil using a cheesecloth. And for my last ingredient, I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of black seed oil. Black seed oil helps to encourage hair growth and strengthen hair follicles as well as treat hair loss. Black seed oil is a natural moisturizer and helps to reduce the dryness on the scalp, hence preventing hair fall. With this oil, you can use it as a hot oil treatment, a scalp oil, and you can also add a few tablespoons of it into your favorite deep conditioner. As a scalp oil, you can use this oil daily or at least 2 to 3 times a week. Make sure you apply it to your roots and massage it into your scalp. Also, you can add your favorite essential oils to the oil as well. A hot oil treatment, apply it from root to ends, let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then wash out with your favorite shampoo. Also, you can use this oil as an overnight treatment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!